Guys, so today we're going to make some chemicals. Basically it's going to be like a lava lamp, and the ingredients you're going to need is some food coloring, optional. It can be any color, and a 250 ml beaker. You're going to fill it up with 50 ml water, and then you're going to need a 250 ml flask. Fill it with vegetable oil up to 200 ml. And then you're also going to need some Alka-Seltzer. So first, I'm going to get the food coloring. I'm going to pour it several drops. Okay, so we just shake it around like this a little bit, and then it gets uniform with the colors. Now I'm going to pour it into the 200 ml flask. It to fill up the 250 ml here, and then you could stop. It was supposed to be turning out like a lava lamp similar, and I think it did. Look at these bubbles. I think it turned out like a lava lamp. These make it have more reaction, so I'm going to see what happens if I put this in.
And I don't wanna get with you, so tell my friends that I'll be over here. Oh, here. Oh, here. Oh, I ask myself, what am I doing here? Oh, here. Oh, here. Be over here. Oh, here. Oh, here. Oh, I ask myself, what am I doing here? Oh, here. Oh, here.
You can put on your gloves if you want to, but I'm not going to do it for now. You would want your setup like this just to protect it from spilling or something like that. First, I'm just going to tell you the first step. Get a Q-tip, and you're going to pour some of this onto your Q-tip. You can put gloves on, optional. And I'm going to pour some on. Okay, I think it got. Now, you're going to write a simple message like, hello. Good. Sorry if I have bad handwriting. You're going to write a simple message. The message disappeared now, it's dry. So we get a different Q-tip. You dip it into some glass cleaner that is ammonia based. And you just rub it on where you think your
And I
message
don't
was.
wanna get with you, so tell my friends that I'll be over here. Oh, here. Oh, here. Oh, I ask myself, what am I doing here? Oh, here. Oh, here.
So back again.
Oh,